In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download content from Wix. If you're managing a website on Wix and need to save a file to your computer, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. First, you need to head over to the Wix.com login page. Now, this might be a familiar step if you use Wix regularly, but for those who might be newer to the platform, let's break it down a bit. Go to the website using any web browser on your computer, type in your credentials, and log into your Wix account. If you're using a public or shared computer, always ensure you log out once you're finished to keep your account safe. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll need to locate the Design or Edit Site option. This is usually prominently displayed on your dashboard, making it easier for users to find. Click on this, and it will take you to the editor view of your website. This is where all the magic happens, where you edit, update, and, for today's task, download your media files. Now, within the editor, you want to look for the Media section. This is often represented by an icon that, when clicked, opens up a broader selection of options. Navigate to Site Files and click on Show More. This section hosts a collection of images, videos, and files you've uploaded to your Wix account. It's handy to know that this area is not only for downloading purposes, but is also a great way to manage your site's media. Organized management can enhance the loading speed and performance of your website, which is a nice little bonus tip for you. Once you're within Site Files, identify the file you're intending to download. You'll typically hover your mouse over this file, and it's this personal interaction that makes finding the right file much more efficient. Once you've pinpointed the file, you'll be given additional options. Here's the final step. You'll see a download option pop up. Simply click on it, initiating the download of the desired file to your device. Keep in mind where your downloads are saved on your computer, as it varies depending on your settings. Some computers will save files directly to a Downloads folder, while others may prompt you to choose a location. It's always good practice to verify the successful download by checking the file on your computer and ensuring it's the correct version you've needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and download any media files from your Wix account directly to your local device. We hope this guide makes your website management tasks a little bit easier. Thank you for watching, and happy downloading.